Assalamualaikum semuanya. Good morning everyone. Okay, now this is only additional lesson ya. Only sekedar tambahan. Kita akan berdiskusi tentang simple past ya. Kalau simple present udah, sekarang kita belajar simple past. Okay. Was, were. Before we learned about is, am, are, now we learn was and were ya. Okay. Illustration last night and now. So in a picture somebody is sleeping now ya. Somebody was sleeping last night and now. Okay. Now Robert is at work. Now Robert is at work. Robert sedang bekerja ya. At midnight last night he wasn't at work. He was in bed. He was asleep. Tengah malam kemarin dia tidak bekerja, dia di tempat tidur ya, dia tertidur lelap. Okay. Am is present ya, and was is past. For example, I'm tired now. I was tired last night. Where is Kate? It means now ya. Where is Kate? Where was Kate yesterday? Okay. The weather is good today. Now ya. The weather is good today. The weather was good last week. Last week, yesterday, last night is past ya. Are present, were past ya. Okay, example. You are late. Now ya. You were late yesterday. They aren't here. No. They weren't here last Sunday. Okay, so the pattern of positive is I, see, he, it using was ya. And we, you, they using were. Okay, the negative, I was not or I wasn't. He was not or he wasn't. We were not or we weren't. How about the question? A question I put to be in the front ya. Was he blah blah blah. Was she blah blah blah. Were we blah blah blah. Were you blah blah blah, like that ya. Example, last year Rachel was 22. So she is 23 now. Birthday ya. When I was a child, I was scared of dogs. Scared of dogs, takut anjing ya. When I was a child, ketika aku masih kecil. Now I'm not scared of dogs. We were hungry after the journey. Journey apa? Perjalanan ya. Setelah perjalanan jauh, we were hungry. Kita lapar. But we weren't tired. Tapi kita tidak lelah, tidak capek. Karena enjoy perjalanannya, jadi nggak capek. The hotel was comfortable, but it wasn't expensive. The hotel was comfortable apa? Comfortable, nyaman ya, but it wasn't expensive, dan tidak mahal, jadi murah tapi nyaman gitu ya. Okay, was the weather nice when you were on a holiday? On holiday? Was the weather nice? Apakah cuacanya bagus? When, ketika, you were on holiday, ketika kamu liburan. Ya. Next, your shoes are nice. Why not were? Your shoes were nice. Why not were? Why using are? Because it is now, ya. Your shoes are nice. Now I see it. I see them. I see the shoes now. Your shoes are nice. Were they expensive? Apakah mahal? Apakah mahal harganya enggak gitu ya? Were they expensive? Ketika kamu beli, ya kan udah lampau ya. Were they expensive? Ketika kamu beli gitu. Next, why were you late this morning? Kenapa kamu terlambat pagi ini? Why were you late this morning? Itu ya. Short answer, yes, she or he or it was ya. Or yes, we, you, they were. Kalau no, I, he, she, it wasn't ya. No, we, you, they weren't. Example, were you late? No, I wasn't. Apakah kamu telat tadi pagi misalnya? Enggak, aku enggak telat gitu ya. Next, was Tom at work yesterday? Apakah Tom bekerja kemarin? Yes, he was. Ya, dia ada kerja misalnya. Next, were Sue and Steve at the party? No, they weren't. Apakah Sue dan Steve ada di pesta? Tidak ada. Okay, next. Exercise. Okay. Joe, number 1. Picture number 1 is Joe, and picture number 2 is Jack and Kate. Picture number 3 is Sue. Picture number 4 is Mr. and Mrs. Hall. Picture number 5 is Ben ya. Okay. Example number 1. Joe was in bed. Sedang tidur ya. Joe was in bed. Okay, Jack and Kate. Where are they now? Where are they? I mean in the picture. Where were they? Where were they? They were at the cinema. Watch movies. So Jack and Kate were in the cinema. How about Sue? Do you see any train on there in the picture? Yes, there is train coming. Yeah, there was train coming. So Sue was in the station. Yeah? Number 4. Mr. and Mrs. Hall, where were they, you think? Ada makanan. So, restaurant, right? So, Mr. and Mrs. Hall were in the restaurant. Yeah. Number 5. Ben, look at the picture. Ada pantai, ada laut ya di pantai. So Ben was in the beach. Ya, and you dan kamu you can create your own story ya. Number 6 ya, and you dan kamu, I bla 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 ya. Okay, next. Write am, is, or are present, or was, were as a past. Yeah? Example number 1. Last year it means past. Yeah? Was 22. So he is 23 now. Now means present, right? So we use is instead of was. So last year we using was, and now we using is. Okay. Number 2. Today the weather is nice, because today, right? Sekarang. Ya? But yesterday it was very cold. Number 3. I hungry. Can I have something to eat? No, it is now, because can I have? Yeah? So I am hungry. Can I have something to eat? Aku lapar. Boleh nggak aku minta sesuatu untuk dimakan gitu ya. Number 4. I feel fine this morning, but very tired last night. I was very tired last night. Ya. This morning I feel fine, but tetapi tadi malam ya we passed ya. Number 5. Where you at 11 o'clock last Friday morning? Remember last Friday? Last we using past ya. Where were you at 11 o'clock last Friday morning? Number 6. Don't buy the shoes. Now ya. Don't buy the shoes. Ini memperingatkan, jangan beli sepatu itu. They are very expensive. It is happening now ya. Somebody talk to a person now ya. Don't buy shoes. Don't buy the shoes. They are very expensive. Number 7. I like your new jacket. I see it now ya. I like your new jacket. Pakai past atau pakai present? Next. It expensive. Was it expensive? Kan belinya sudah lampau ya. Sekarang lagi dipakai. I like your new jacket. Was it expensive? Yeah. Number 8. This time last year ya. This time but last year I was in Paris. Last year we are using what? Past ya. Number 9. Where Sam and Joe? I don't know. So it is now ya. Where are Sam and Joe? I don't know. A few minutes ago we using they here a few minutes ago. So we use past ya. They were here a few minutes ago. But now they are not here. Right, was, were, or wasn't, weren't. Okay, number 1 example. We weren't happy with the hotel. Our room was very small and it wasn't clean. Kita nggak senang ya dengan hotelnya. Kamar kita sangat kecil dan kotor, tidak bersih ya. Okay, number 2. Mark at work last week. Mark was at work last week because he was ill. So Mark wasn't ya. Mark wasn't at work last week because he was ill. He is better now, dia sehat sekarang ya. Jadi Mark tidak bekerja minggu kemarin, tidak ada bekerja minggu kemarin karena dia sakitnya kemarin ya. He was ill ya. 3. Yesterday a public holiday. Yesterday berarti pas. Yesterday was a public holiday, so the banks were closed ya. The banks, banyak bank kan. So the banks were closed. They are open today. Mereka buka sekarang hari ini. Number 4. Kate and Ben at the party. Were Kate and Ben at the party? Kate wasn't there, but Ben was there. You can say that. Oh, Kate was there, but Ben wasn't there. You can say that. Yeah. Number 5. Where are my keys? They on the table, but they're not there now. Now the keys are not there. So they were on the table, but now not anymore. Yeah. Where are the keys? Di mana kuncinya? They were on the table. Kuncinya tadi ada di meja, sekarang nggak ada lagi. Gitu ya. Number 6. You at home last night. Where you? You weren't at home last night. Where were you? Ya. Kamu nggak ada di rumah semalam. Kemana kamu? Gitu kan. You weren't at home last night. Where were you? Okay, next. Write question from this word. Was/were. Was or were ya. Put the words in the right order. Okay, example. Late you this morning. Why? So, why were you late this morning? Yeah. Difficult your exam is question ya. So the answer, the traffic was bad. Why were you late this morning? The answer is the traffic was bad. Kenapa kamu telat? Trafiknya ininya jalannya macet gitu ya. The traffic was bad. Jalan macet gitu ya. Difficult your exam. So was your exam difficult? Was your exam difficult? Apakah ulanganmu susah gitu ya? No, it was easy. Enggak, mudah kok gitu. Jawabannya no, it was easy. Okay, number 3. The answer is they were on a holiday. So last week were Sue and Chris. Where ya? Di mana? Where were Sue and Chris last week? Where were Sue and Chris last week? Di mana Sue dan Chris minggu kemarin? They were on holiday. Mereka liburan. Number 4. Your new camera? How much? So 100 pounds. 100 pounds. Jawabannya 100 pounds. So how much ya? How much was your camera? How much was your camera? Berapa harga kameramu? 100 pounds, 100 pounds sterling ya. Number 5. Angry you yesterday. Why? Because you were late ya. Jawabannya because you, karena kamu terlambat ya. Why were you angry yesterday? Kenapa kamu marah kemarin gitu. Why were you angry yesterday? Because you were late. Nah, kamu telat, aku jadi marah. Number 6. Nice the weather last week. Jawabannya yes, it was beautiful. So was the weather nice last week? Was the weather nice last week? Apakah cuacanya bagus minggu kemarin? Yes, it was beautiful. Ya, bagus sekali gitu ya. Okay, now so we just finished learning was, were. Now we move to verb, ya. Past simple. Work become worked, and get become got, go become went. If it is present, it is work. If the past, worked, we put ed, ya. If the present is get, then the past will be got. If the present go, the past will be when, ya, etc. Example, they watch TV every evening is present simple, ya. But they watched TV yesterday evening. Yeah. Okay, watch is a past simple. Watched with ed, ya, is the past simple. I, we, you, they watched. He, she, it watched also. There's no difference between he, she, it and I, you, we, they, ya. It's no different. All past verb is the same. Watched, yeah. Okay, the past simple is often ed. Regular verbs, we put ed in the end, yeah. Like worked, work with worked, clean become cleaned, start become started, dance become danced, stay become stayed, need become needed, yeah. Is regular verb. Example, I clean my teeth every morning is present, yeah. This morning I cleaned my teeth. I cleaned my teeth, yeah. Put D in the end. I cleaned. Terry worked in the bank from 2005 to 2011. It's past, yeah. Now Terry works somewhere else, not in the bank anymore. But Terry worked in the bank from 2005 to 2011 only, yeah. Okay, number 3. Yesterday it rained all morning. It stopped at lunchtime. Kemarin sepanjang pagi hujan, berhenti pada waktu makan siang, gitu ya. Okay, next, we enjoyed the party last night. Kita enjoy the party, ya, menikmati pestanya tadi malam. Kita menikmati pestanya tadi malam. We danced a lot and talked to a lot of people. Kita banyak berdansa dan berbicara dengan banyak orang. Talked to a lot of people. The party finished at midnight. Pesta selesai tengah malam, ya. Spelling appendix, ya. Now this is different pattern, ya. Spelling try become tried. So cry, like cry become cried. Kita buang y-nya diganti dengan i dan ditambah ed ya. Seperti study ya. Study kita buang y-nya diganti i ditambah ed. Jadi studied. Copy, mengcopy ya. Dibuang y-nya diganti i ditambah ed, copied ya. How about stop? Stop will be stopped. Put double p ya. Ditambah p-nya ditambah ed. Plan juga gitu. Ditambah n tapi ditambah ed ya. N-nya jadi double. Plan jadi plant. This is how to write it. Correct one ya. Some verb, next. Some verbs are irregular, not regular ya. The past symbol is not ed, is not with ed, but it change ya. Not only with ed ya. It means irregular. Example, begin, become began. Break, become broke ya. Bring, become brought. Build, not built it, but built with t ya. Buy, not buy it, but bought. Catch, not catched, but couched. Come, not camped, but came ya. Do, become did. Drink, become drunk. Eat, become ate. Fall, become fell ya. And so on. You can read it and you can screenshot if you want. Diambil fotonya dan dihafalkan ya. Okay, example. I usually get up early, but this morning I got up at 9 o'clock. Aku biasanya bangun awal, tapi pagi ini aku bangun jam 9. Usually that's why we use get because present ya. But this morning is already past ya. That's why using got, past tense. Get become got. I got up at 9 o'clock. Next one, second example. We did a lot of work yesterday. Kita banyak pekerjaan kemarin ya. We did, kita melakukan a lot of work, banyak pekerjaan yesterday. Jadi kalau bahasa Indonesia kita banyak kerja kemarin, capek deh gitu. Okay, number 3. Caroline went to the cinema 3 times last week. 3 times last week. 3 kali dalam minggu kemarin Caroline pergi ke bioskop 3 kali ya. Next, James came into the room, took off his coat and sat down. Apa artinya? Came into the room. James masuk kamar. Came into itu masuk ya. James masuk kamar, lepas jaket, melepas jaket, took off his clothes, melepas ya. Melepas jaket dan sit down, duduk. Okay, another exercise. Okay. Complete the sentences. Use a verb from the box. Yeah. What words on the box? Clean, die, enjoy, finish, happen, terjadi, open, membuka, rain, hujan ya. Start, mulai, stay, tinggal, want, ingin, enjoy, menikmati. So, clean is already used for number 1 ya. I cleaned my teeth 3 times yesterday. Oh, yesterday 3 times. Maybe he ate something not good maybe. So something stinky, makan yang berbau, jadi giginya digosok sampai 3 kali. Number 2, it was hot in the room, so I titik-titik the window. Apa? It was hot in the room, panas sekali kamarnya. Jadi jadi aku buka jendelanya. Buka apa? Open ya. So I opened the window. Pakai id ya. Number 3, the film was very long. Filmnya sangat lama gitu ya. It titik-titik 7.15 dan titik-titik 10. Oh, mulai berarti ya. It started at 7:15, 7:15, and finished, selesai at 10 o'clock, selesai jam 10. Panjang ya. Number 4, when I was a child, I titik-titik to be a doctor. Ketika aku masih kecil, aku bermimpi atau ingin jadi dokter ya. Apa kira-kira? Want ya, ingin ya. I wanted to be a doctor. When I was a child, I wanted to be a doctor. Now I don't want to be a doctor. It's too much work maybe ya. Maybe. Okay, number 5. The accident titik-titik last Sunday afternoon. Kecelakaan titik-titik last Sunday afternoon. Apa? Sunday apa? Minggu siang kemarin ya. Berarti kecelakaan terjadi. Ya kan? Apa terjadi bahasa Inggrisnya? Happened ya. The accident happened last Sunday afternoon ya. Okay, number 6. The weather is nice today, but yesterday it all day. Apa kira-kira? Hujan seharian ya, all day. It rained all day, but yesterday it rained all day. Ya. But it is nice today. Ya. Number 7, we titik-titik our holiday last year. We titik-titik at a very nice place. Oke. Apa kira-kira nomor 7 nih? Kita titik-titik dalam liburan dalam liburan tahun lalu. Kita titik-titik di tempat yang indah. Apa? We apa ya? Enjoy, menikmati ya. We enjoyed our holiday last year. We stayed at a very nice place. Mungkin hotelnya sangat indah, sangat nyaman ya kan. We stayed at a very nice place. Okay, number 8. Anna's grandfather titik-titik when he was 90 years old. Ketika dia umur 90 tahun. Anna's grandfather, apa kata-kata yang tertinggal? Die ya. Died pakai id ya. Died. Anna's grandfather died when he was 90 years old. Okay, write the past simple of these verbs. Past simple-nya get apa? Got. Kalau see, saw. Number 3, play, played. Kalau pay, paid. Without without y ya. Paid. PAIED. IED. paid, ya. Visited, buy, bought, go, went, drink, think, thought, ya. Copy, copied, no, new, no become new, put become put also, ya, tetap, ya. Speak become spoke, ya. Okay, read about Lisa's journey to Madrid. Okay, Lisa went to Madrid, ya. So put the verbs in the correct form. Okay. Last Tuesday, Lisa flew from London to Madrid. See, there is fly, get, have, leave, drive, get, park, walk. We use these verbs, yeah. Check, have, wait, depart, arrive, take, yeah. Okay, last Tuesday, Lisa flew from London to Madrid. She up at 6 o'clock. She got up, yeah. Got up. She got up at 6 o'clock in the morning and a cup of coffee and had a cup of coffee at 6:30. A cup of coffee, and then at 6:30 she home. Apa? Meninggalkan, ya. She left, ya. Leave kan, leave home. Dia berangkat kan, left. At 6:30 she left home and to the airport and drive to the airport apa? Drove kan? Kalau drive become drove and drove to the airport. When she there, when she datang apa? Arrived, ya, pakai ed. When she arrived there, she the car. Memarkir kan? She parked the car. She parked the car, ya. To the airport building. She parked the car. Walk to the airport building and apa? Ada cek nggak? Check in, ya. Ada cek nggak? Ada kan? Checked in and checked in, ya. Walk to the airport building and checked in, ya. Then she breakfast at a cafe. Then she had a breakfast at a cafe and for her flight and for the flight and for the flight and waited for the flight, dan menunggu, ya. The plane on time. The plane flew on time, ya. The plane flew on time and in Madrid 2 hours later, then departed, ya. And departed in Madrid ya. Datang di Madrid, ya. In Madrid 2 hours later, 2 jam kemudian, berarti cuma 2 jam, ya. Finally she took a taxi from the airport to the hotel in the center of Madrid. Finally, akhirnya dia naik taksi dari airport ke hotel di kota Madrid, di center, di tengah kota Madrid ya. Okay, next. Write sentences about the past, yesterday or last week, and etc. ya. Example, James always goes to work by car. Yesterday he went to work by car ya. Yesterday. Okay, now last week. Okay, Rachel often loses her keys. Last week, see titik-titik last week ya. She lost her keys last week. Okay, number 3. Kate meets her friends every evening. She titik-titik yesterday evening. She met. She met her friends yesterday evening. Okay, number 4. I buy a newspaper every day. Yesterday I bought a newspaper. Yeah. Number 5. We often go to the cinema at weekends. Di akhir pekan kita sering pergi ke bioskop ya. Kita sering pergi ke bioskop di akhir pekan. Last Sunday we went to the cinema. Number 6. I eat an orange every day. Yesterday I ate ya. It become ate. I eat an orange every day. Yesterday I ate orange. Number 7. Tom always has a shower in the morning. This morning he had a shower. Has become had. Number 8. Our friends often come to see us. Teman-teman kita sering datang mengunjungi kita gitu ya. So they came to see us last Friday. Okay, write sentences about what you did yesterday. Okay, now this is exercise ya. What you did yesterday, you write them down for exercise, right? Okay, we will continue the next additional lesson ya. So it's enough from now. Thank you for watching.